Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is like, complete the following statements. The given statement is like, the probability of an event that cannot happen is dash. Such an event is called, okay. Now as per this question, the probability of an event that cannot happen is the probability of an event that cannot happen is dash. This is first part of the question, and again such an event is called, such an event is called what? This is the second part of the question. Okay, so guys, do you think that is there any the probability of an event that cannot happen? Do you think that is there any such probability that an event cannot happen? If you look into the practical scenario, an event is definitely going to happen, or not an event is going to happen. If the event is not going to happen, then not an event is going to happen. Let's say if we are tossing a coin, the chances of I will say that I will get a head, but chances are there I might turn up in getting a tail. So if this head event is not happening, if this is not happening, this is happening. So the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. It is not possible. The event will happen means happen. If the event doesn't happen, the other event will happen. That means the outcome here in this case, if I toss a coin and I say I will get a head, it might turn up to tail. So that means the head event is not happening, the tail event is happening. So we can say the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Such an event is called what? Such an event, because this is not possible at all. An event is going to happen means happen. If the event is not happening, then not an event will happen. Here in this case, if I predict for head, the tail will come up. So this is not an event. Something is happening at least. So such an event is called impossible event, we can say. Impossible event, because this is not possible. Hope guys you understood this. The question is like, the probability of an event that cannot happen is dash, because there is no probability that the event will not happen. Definitely the event will happen means happen. So that means the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. And such an event is called impossible event, because this is not possible at all, that is the event will not happen. Hope guys you understood this statement. But still, if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.